Sometimes I literally just want to be like, Ipsy, I've had enough of you. But yeah, I continue to do it to myself. Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for June 2021. I go back and forth with this bag all the time, like literally every single month. I'm like, that's it, I am canceling. I am done with you. And yet I continue to get this bag. So the reason I'm so nitpicky, we'll talk later about that in the video, but if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. Your girl is full of energy. Woo! So much energy. Anyways, over here it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, play makeup, talk about makeup, do all the things with makeup, and keep it cute or put it on mute. I also have a second channel, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs, where I do a lot of plus size CoverGirl fashion hauls. This I hauled, I don't know, probably a month or two ago. It's a top from Torrid. Definitely make sure to check out that channel because lots of fun things that I'm hauling over there where we are embracing our curves, and it's nothing but positivity over there, where the scale and the number in our britches does not define our happiness. So anywho, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok and Instagram at HOTMESSMOMMA4. Intro has been long enough. Let's go ahead and jump on in. So, a little information about this bag right here. It's $25 plus tax every single month with free shipping. You are supposed to customize 3 out of the 5 items, but your app might not work and your Google Chrome may not work anymore. I know I'm confusing for whatever reason. When I do my glam bag, no problem whatsoever. This rolls around and it's like, I don't think so. Now, the thing with Ipsy is it is profile based, so you go in when you sign up and you let them know your hair color, your eye color, your skin tone, your skin desires, your makeup, if you're comfortable or not, all of that stuff. And then when you choose your 3 items, they customize the other 2 items based off that profile. So always make sure to keep it up to date as far as that goes. Okay, so I'm really hopeful. This is what the bag looks like for the $25 bag. Now, this particular subscription that is monthly, you do receive all full-size products, which is very nice. And the bag is nice, it's cute, it's adorable, and I showed you all, like, I did a dedicated video on the $12 bag, and I just the theme just makes me so happy. Plus it's my birthday month and it's my daughter's birthday month, which if y'all caught my dedicated video, I was whining because she'll be 21 on the 20th, and I'm like, these kids keep growing. My mama heart, you know? So in here you are going to see a card in here. Now, unfortunately, they do not put what items you received in here or the prices or anything. And yes, I know you can use your app to find out the prices if your app works. I'm not going to bore y'all with me trying to get into my app, so I'm not going to be giving prices on that. It does have the Bold Beauty Challenge, 5 tips to make playing with colorful makeup easy and fun. We dare you. And then it's got 5 different steps. On the back, it does say gift your friends a free palette. I'll have a link down below. It is just my referral link and a way that you can get started on getting a free Violet Voss Wildflower Fun Size palette worth $18. Okay. I'm just gonna surprise myself. What's this? Okay, so the first item, oh, this is by Christoph Robin, or AKA, I always think of Winnie the Pooh. This is a daily hair cream with sandalwood, moisturizing care for anti-split ends and anti-breakage. All right, Ipsy. All right, so it is silicone-free moisturizing cream. Directions. Apply a small amount on damp hair or dry hair on the ends and the hairline. Simple and essential every day. Oh, cool. So, like, I could just apply it and I don't have to rinse it out? Alright. I don't want to take the doohickey off. All I know is I got this perfume sample in my $12 bag and I smell delicious. It's so yummy. Okay. Oh, next we have the Tarte C Hydro Concealer in the shade 25H Light Medium Honey. Okay, Ipsy. Oh, okay, Ipsy. Will this match me? Oh, okay, Ipsy. Swear, I annoy myself sometimes. I don't want to hear it. Wow, okay. How many times can I say that? Have y'all tried this? I've not tried this, but it's well, I mean, it's full size. It definitely feels nice and hydrating, and I was afraid of the color, but I think I'm gonna be able to pull it off just fine. Dang, okay. I take a green juice shot every time I say okay, Ipsy. Okay, don't peek. What is this? The Yinsa Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick in the shade First Spirit. Is it a neutral? Because you know that's what Mama likes. Okay, so I really like this little component. It's like, how do I do it? Oh! Oh my goodness. This is my color. Okay, Ipsy. I'm really annoying, but it's fine. Yeah, I like this a lot. Ooh, I flippin' love that color. It is a really pretty, like, neutrally pink kind of soft color. It's, ooh, and it's comfortable. Good opacity. I like that a lot. Pair it with a little bit of my Ofra Peony lip gloss. Oh yeah, all right, we have a winner chicken dinner. And this is so, that's so cool. I am a nerd. I love this color. This is like an all year round color for me. I absolutely love this so much. My heart is so happy. What is these? Ooh. Oh, are you all ready for this? It's by Feel. I don't know much on that, but it's a vitamin E balm. I'm assuming it's for my lips, right? Read. Okay. Ingredients, big words, dry lips and skin. Wow. I think it's got a minty. I want to lick it. It's like a soft kissing coolers. Y'all know I always go back to that. You know that pepperminty kissing cooler back when we were kids? Yes. I love throwback scents. I love that. We have one more. Ready? What is these? Serum Kind Facial Serum Purple Cabbage Drops. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I don't know why my camera won't focus. It's apparently gone on strike. Rude. Not about to break a nail. No, ma'am. Here we go. Oh, it's so pretty. It matches my hair. I love this. Purple Cabbage Drop, calming and nourishing. And it's in a glass bottle. Do y'all see that? I am so happy. I want to smell it. Okay, why did I want it to smell like a purple grape or something? You know what I mean? Like, oh my gosh. Okay. What does this do? It says apply the appropriate amount on the face, gently tap until absorbed. It's a calming serum that's good for tired skin. 63% red cabbage from Jeju Island and 100,000 ppm of beta glucan. I don't even know nothing about that, but it sounds like I'm going to love that. Yep, I'm knocking stuff down. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. All right, Ipsy. All right, let me give you my thoughts. This is the best bag that I didn't get to pick. Not one lick of nothing. And I like everything. Like, okay, I need to try, but I have no doubt, especially with this one, I have no doubt this is going to be amazing. I mean, because I've always heard such wonderful things, and when I've tried this brand in little samples, I've always liked it. So this is so pretty that I don't know how I'm not going to like it, because it's just precious, and it seems like it's bougie and expensive. If y'all have tried this out, let me know. Definitely excited to try out the Tarte C Hydrating Concealer or Hydro Concealer. I wonder if it's going to be similar to my creamy concealer. The shade has me a little nervous because I typically use 29N, which is light medium. So we'll see. But either way, $25 for this bag, I'm not that upset whatsoever. I definitely feel like I got my money's worth. And I, like, y'all know the past few months, I'm like, that's it, I'm done. Literally, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, went right out the window. Like, every time I got my Ipsy, I'm like, But now I'm like, oh, it's my birthday, and they did pretty good for my birthday month. So thank you, Ipsy. I appreciate that. Anyways, that is everything for today's video. Hopefully I'll be back, and Haley and I will go head to head. I will be honest with y'all, her Glam Bag Plus is not in yet, so we have to wait on that one to arrive. But anyways, let me know y'all's thoughts down below. What did you receive in your Plus? Were you able to make your choices? If not, were you happy with what you got? And this was the perfect gift to myself. So happy birthday, me. My birthday was on June 8th, but I'm the I celebrate all month girl, but I also share it with my daughter, so we celebrate all month family. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, friends, on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, you will find all kinds of curvy girl fashion hauls. Don't forget TikTok, Instagram at HotMessMomma04. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.